Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the LKCTB Electric Scissors. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
So as we get the box open here, you'll see that it comes in a nice little case to operate with. You'll find instructions. You'll find USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Looks like a kind of an additional cutting piece here to replace with. And what you'll note is that you have to press this down. That'll give you some lighting, I thought. Yeah, there we go. You'll see the light up front. So it's pull this down for the lighting. And then as long as you press this down and then squeeze, it'll run. But if you just do one or the other, it won't do either. So just be aware of that. This looks to be my charge, telling me kind of where we are. I believe that we're completely full, which is great when it comes charged. When you squeeze this trigger, it'll give you some lighting, as you can see. So we'll go ahead and just show you. I'm going to just cut up some, this will cut a lot of different things. Check your instruction manual, make sure you are cutting the right things, but I'm going to just show you cutting some cardboard as just a demo. All right, so I get a lot of boxes and I'm just showing this way, but generally speaking, I need to break down these boxes. And so all I'm going to do is just simply use this to kind of push right through. And it's super easy, as you can tell, to cut in half. So tremendous value here. This thing, it's kind of just very sharp, so I'm not going to do too much there, but it's just like a pizza cutter almost. You're just kind of putting that thing in, it's going to run. Again, we'll kind of just show you real quick. It just runs on its own essentially, so you're just going to need to guide it a little bit on the cut, and it does a very, very effective job. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.